Noticing water or coffee leaking from your Ninja Luxe Premier during brewing? Drips under the machine? Puddles by the portafilter? This usually comes from loose components, clogged parts, or excess pressure. Let's stop the leaks. Step by step. Step 1. Check the water tank connection. Make sure the tank is fully seated and clicked into place. If it's loose or misaligned, water can leak down the back or base of the unit. Step 2. Inspect the portafilter seal. If the portafilter isn't locked in tight, water or espresso may leak from the brew head. Reinsert it and twist firmly until it clicks into place. If you still see leaks, check the rubber gasket inside the brew head for wear or coffee buildup. Step 3. Clean the brew basket and group head. Clogged or backed up grounds can force pressure out through any weak point. Rinse the filter basket and wipe the group head area with a damp cloth. Step 4. Don't overfill the portafilter. Adding too much coffee or tamping too hard can cause excess pressure. Stick to the recommended dose and apply firm but not forceful tamping. Step 5. Run a water-only test brew. Brew without coffee and watch closely. If water still leaks with an empty portafilter, the issue could be with internal seals or valves. Still leaking after all that? There may be a gasket or internal line issue. Support and manual links are in the video description if you need to take the next step. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching and enjoy your coffee.